name was Gopal Bhatt. Gopal Bhatt. And there is a king, Krishna Chandra. The king should relax by joking words, by the joker. That was system, format. So Gopal Bhatt was constructing a house. So the king advised another friend that if you go to his new house and evacuate, because the house is not yet open, not yet established, then I'll give you 1,000. So this man said, yes, I'll go and do it. So he came to Gopal Bhatt's house and began to say, Gopal Bhatt, I am called by nature. Kindly show me where is your privy I have to pass. So he could understand that why this man has come here to evacuate. So yes, come in. So he opened the new laboratory and brought a big stick. So he said, why you have brought this stick? Yes, you can pass stool between you, urine one drop, I will kill you. So how it is possible? If it is not possible, I cannot allow. So these foolish handwriting, you can speak, but if you use microphone, then I'll kill you. Yeah, Gopal Bhatt police. They would not say not allowed, but in a different way. I will recite one story in this connection, that one Brahmin in South India, in Ranganatha temple, he was reading Bhagavad Gita and he was illiterate. He did not know neither Sanskrit nor any letter, illiterate. So the people neighborhood, they knew that this man is illiterate and he is reading Bhagavad Gita. He is opening the Bhagavad Gita like that. Yes. So somebody was joking. Well, Brahmin, how you are reading Bhagavad Gita? He could understand that this man is joking because I am illiterate. So, in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also happened to be that day in the Ranganath temple, and he could understand that here is a devotee. So, he approached him and he asked, my dear Brahman, what you are reading? So, he could also understand that this man is not joking. So he said, sir, I am reading Bhagavad Gita, I am trying to read Bhagavad Gita, but I am illiterate. So, my Guru Maharaj said that you must read 18 chapters daily. So, I have no knowledge, I cannot read, still Guru Maharaj said, so I am just trying to carry out his order and opening the pages, and that's all. I do not know how to read it. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that you are crying sometimes, I see. Then yes, I am crying. How you are crying if you cannot read? No, because when I take this Bhagavad Gita book, I see one picture that Krishna is so kind that he has taken the chariot driver, Sarathi of Arjuna. He is his devotee. So Sri Krishna is so kind that he can accept the position of a servant because Arjuna was ordering, keep my chariot here, and Krishna was serving him. So Krishna is so kind. So when I see this picture within my mind, I am crying. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu immediately embraced him. that you are reading Bhagavad Gita. Without any education, you are reading Bhagavad Gita. He embraced him. So this is how he was seeing the picture. Because he was a lover of Krishna. It doesn't matter, he could read these slokas or not, but he was absorbed in love of Krishna, and he was seeing Krishna was sitting there, and he was driving the chariot of Arjuna. This is required. Nobody wants to die. So the scientists cannot give any relief from death. They are talking simply superficial. They cannot give any relief from death. But my real problem is death. I do not wish to die. I do not wish to become old man. What scientists can help me? I do not wish to become diseased. What the scientists can help me? I do not wish to take birth. These things they cannot do anything. Major problem they have set aside. And they are, this is called jackal.
Jackals?
Yes. There is a story of the jackal. He became the king of the forest.
Yes, I think I have read it. Lomadi. In Hindi it's called Lomadi.
In Hindi Sanskrit. And in Bengal it is called Bongaya Sial Raja. In the forest, a jackal has become king. They are like that. Nilavarna Shigalavat. When there's a big story about this jackal, I'll tell you something. Jackal came in the village and he fell in the tub where, what is called, that, for coloring.
It's called dye.
Blue. So the washerman kept the dye, water, in a big tub, and the jackal fell in it. The jackal fell in it, he became blue, all blue. So he fled away, and all the animals said, "What is this animal? What is the animal? What is that animal?" All every lion becomes surprised. We have not seen this animal. So who are you, sir? I am sent by God to So they began to worship him as God and leader. Then one day other jackals, they were hoa, hoa, hoa. But the jackals cannot stop. If other jackals cry, the jackal cannot stop.
Yes,
So he also began to hoa, hoa. Then they go, oh, this rascal is a jackal. Tavaccha sobate murkha javat kinchi navasa. These rascals are jackals. Now they are talking nonsense. We can detect, here is a jackal. So we have to expose them. They are not leaders, they are jackals. He will be interested to know that one European gentleman, he went to Calcutta and he visited 7 temples in Calcutta, and he visited our temple also. Our temple is Radha Krishna. This is the picture, Radha Krishna. So he went to the temple of goddess Kali. He saw the goddess Kali's very ferocious feature, and he has got one, what is called, chopper in her hand. She is chopping the heads of the demons, and she has the garland of the heads of the demons, and engaged in fighting. So, he is supposed to be intelligent man. He said that I find in this temple there is God. Why you conclude like that? That in every temple I saw that a God deity is doing something. But here I see the God is enjoying. He has nothing to do. Very nice conclusion. This is Vedic conclusion.